Be a good boy, Shermie. Oh, shit. Really should put it in gear. Some red ants. Coffee. It's time to head out. Let's get this party started. Love you, babe. See you tomorrow. Be a good boy, Shermie. Some places don't need to be discovered. They simply wait for our return. Not because they're extraordinary to anyone else, but because somewhere along the way, it became part of our story. Oh shit, I forgot the damn kickstand. Wow. It's funny how familiar places can still humble us. Maybe that's part of why we come back. The forest has a way of reminding us that we're guests here, no matter how many times we visit it. Really should put it in gear. Well, let's not do that again. Stay. Yes, very yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have a special meal planned. We have an Italian themed dinner. Italian bread, some pasta, sauce, spices, olive oil, pepperoni, a little bit of vino. This is an Aloha pepper, a little Parmesan, get a little cheesy in here, and onion and garlic. I like my chances better of not spilling with this neat little stand here. Alright, so we have a titanium pot, small saucepan with a lid, saute pan, but it's very small. So this side's gonna be my cutting board, because that is not gonna be. It's nasty. Let's see what we can do. Bellissimo. How the hell am I going to fit sauce in there? I have no idea. Maybe it'll reduce down. Don't tell anyone. Like I said, we have to do this in stages. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be just fine. Magnifique. We just need a little light boil. We don't need it getting out of hand here. I've done that before, and I'm not trying to do it. It's gonna be just fine. "11 minutes. We want to keep it al dente. We've got our noodles, which takes up a lot of space. We're gonna go ahead and empty in our goodness. And whatever's left, we'll give it to the sauce. Not that there is much left. Dude, this is more like a chili pasta. Nice and thick. It's only about half the jar. Probably not even. This smells so damn good. Look how amazing that looks. Holy. That's a lot of food. All right. Well, that's heating up the last of it. Let's get some Parmesan. Yes. We got our cheese on top. I'd say that's a success for how small this is. Stick a spork in it, it's done. Okay, the moment of truth. Have to say I like my odds. Just too full.
A meal tastes different out here. Maybe it's the fresh air. Maybe it's the miles behind you. Or maybe it's because when there's nowhere else to be, dinner becomes something worth remembering.
Nailed it. Big old chunk of Parmesan right on top. Ooh, that's amazing. I'm sure glad I came out today. It's actually incredible. A little red wine, pasta, Italian bread. What more could a man want right now? Well, the table I picked looked like some red ants. I'm sorry, ant colony. Didn't mean to cause harm. I'll put you back.
We like to think we choose the roads we travel, but every now and then a road chooses us. Years later, without much thought, we find ourselves riding it again. Not because it's new, but because it still feels like home.
Well, good night. Been a great day. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the morning. Let's get this party started. Really is a beautiful morning. I really can't believe I found this spot. Last time I was up in this area, I looked all day for a spot like this, and I ended up at a spot where I couldn't see any water. But this is truly gorgeous. A little loud for my taste, with the highway being right up there, but you know, we're motocamping. Gotta get a little loud. Nice. Coffee. Yes, coffee. Okay, well, this concludes another trip. I thoroughly enjoyed myself on this one. It's always great when you can just get out on the bike and do a little camping. Sometimes a gourmet meal helps dash it up just a little bit too. What a view. If I can't have mountains, I'll take this. Delicious. Should be beautiful on the ride home.
We don't return because a place refuses to leave us. We return because a part of ourselves is still waiting there, waiting to be rediscovered.